Hi friends, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best mini waffle maker available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Let's get started. Product feature. The compact 4-inch size creates adorable snack-sized waffles that are just right for single servings or treating your family to a fun, personalized breakfast. Forget the guesswork. The built-in indicator light lets you know exactly when the pan is hot and ready, ensuring golden brown results every single time. Designed for your safety and comfort, this appliance features a user-friendly handle and sturdy non-slip feet to keep everything stable while you cook. The premium PTFE non-stick surface means your waffles slide right off without a struggle, making both the cooking process and the cleanup incredibly easy. It's more than just a waffle iron. You can experiment with creative recipes like biscuit pizzas or hash browns to keep your meal times exciting and fresh. Perfect for busy mornings, you can make a big batch of mini waffles in advance and freeze them to pop in the toaster whenever a quick craving strikes. Its small footprint and lightweight build make it a portable companion that fits perfectly in any kitchen, dorm room, or even your camper for road trips. Pros. This little gem makes breakfast feel like a special occasion every day. You'll love how quickly it heats up, saving you precious time during those hectic mornings. Its tiny size is a huge plus for anyone with limited counter space, and the non-stick coating is truly a lifesaver when it comes to cleaning up. It's a thoughtful, budget-friendly way to bring a little extra joy to your home. Cons. Because it is so compact, it might take a little longer if you're trying to feed a large crowd all at once. The plates aren't removable, so while the non-stick surface is great, you'll just want to give it a careful wipe down with a damp cloth after it cools to keep it in tip-top shape and ready for your next meal. Final thoughts. Imagine waking up to the smell of golden brown waffles without any of the usual mess or stress. This little gadget isn't just an appliance. It's a way to create sweet memories with your loved ones over a warm, home-cooked meal. It gives you the confidence to try new recipes and makes healthy eating feel like a treat. It's a small investment that brings a lot of heart into your kitchen. Your kitchen deserves this little bit of magic. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video. See you in the next one.